Hope you guys are doing well. All right, so today I asked the question, do you guys use Instagram on a daily basis? So about 2/3 of you guys said yes, 5 of you guys said no, and then 1% said waste my time. Totally cool. All right, so first of all, I'm glad you guys use Instagram. Actually, I was on Instagram from the very beginning, and I ended up actually leaving. I stopped using Instagram for about 10 months, up until about a month or 2 months ago, and now I'm back on. It is important to be able to use Instagram if you are considering using it for getting clients. It does work, and let me explain why. So social media is not dying out. It's always going to be evolving and always changing. As we saw, MySpace died out. It got replaced by Facebook, and already Facebook is already on the decline, and Facebook is going to evolve, and all those users are going to basically move over to Instagram. I definitely see that happening. Right now, it's the 20-year-olds and 30-year-olds that are on it, but you will see in 2020, early 2020, and late into 2020, you will see 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds, and 60-year-olds, and the rest of the population actually getting on Instagram. It doesn't seem imaginable, just like the same way we didn't expect our parents to get on Facebook. I remember my first time when my mom got on Facebook, I couldn't believe it. I see the same thing happening with Instagram. The older generation is going to get on Instagram, and even our grandparents are actually going to get on Instagram, believe it or not. So might as well kind of adjust and transition over to things, to platforms where people are spending most of their time to get the most attention for your law firm or for your business or whatever you're doing. So I do definitely recommend it. What you do, important to make sure your profile is correctly filled out. You want to make sure that you're known as that one thing, and you just want to produce content, be consistent with it, and push out content as frequently as possible. You don't want to be pushy. You don't want to be talking about yourself too much. Just organically, just from putting out good value, good content, people will reach out to you. Yeah, there's a lot to say about that, but I'll just leave it as it is. I am gonna be producing more videos for you guys soon, so I'll be a little bit more consistent with this group, and I'll talk to you guys soon.